A very good morning to all. So today, dear students, we are going to start with another chapter of science. From that chapter is chapter number 3, synthetic fibers and plastics. In this chapter, what we are going to read about, that is what are synthetic fibers, what are their characteristics, what are the types of synthetic fiber and plastics and their types, whether there is thermosetting plastic or thermoplastics. So, and what are the harmful effects of the plastics? So, first topic which we are going to discuss regarding this chapter, that is what is fiber. I hope you are familiar with this term in your previous classes. Yes, dear students, you are right. What are fibers? Actually, when we are going to hear this word fibers, the first word that comes to your mind, that word would be the clothes. That is fibers, fabric or the clothes. They are interrelated with each other. So, what are fibers? Actually, these are the raw materials which are used to make textile items. What are the textile items? They are the clothes. For making the clothes, that are the raw materials from where the cloths can be made. These are spun or twisted together to make the yarns. So what would be the definition of the fibers? A very thin thread-like strand from which cloth is made. जिससे हम cloth बनाते हैं. That fiber or that is called a fiber, or these are the raw materials. So we can take the simple example. Fibers, that is very thin or the small threads. When they are going to twist it together, they are going to tie them together, they are forming a long thread, twisted thread. That thread is called yarns. And when they are going to have a network of these threads, they are continue to form fabric. We are getting the fabric, and from the fabric, which is we are going to make the cloths. Is it clear to all? So can you tell me this? If we are taking the example of cotton fabric, the smallest unit in this fabric would be the cotton yarn, and in this the smallest unit would be the cotton fiber. So this is your decreasing order. If there is a fabric of cotton, it is having the smallest the smaller unit is yarn, and the smallest unit is fiber. So fibers are spun into yarn, which are then woven to make a fabric. Is it clear to all? How the fabric is made up of? It is made up of a long thread. They are called yarns, and these yarns are made up of very thin thread. They are called the fibers, and these fibers are our raw materials which are used to make cloths. So, what are the types of fibers on the basis of their origin? What is their raw material, whether we are getting that raw material from the plants or the animals, whether the raw material is the petroleum origin. So we are going to discuss about them. Natural fibers or the synthetic fibers. On the basis of origin, there are two types, natural and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers, there are the two divisions, plants or animal. And from the plants, which fiber is there? Cotton or the jute. And from the animal, we are having silk or the wool. And that is the most important from this chapter. What is that? Synthetic fiber. These synthetic fibers are the man-made fiber. Or we are also naming them as artificial fibers. But what is their raw material? Actually, their raw material is the petroleum origin products, or the called petrochemicals. When we are going to process them in a laboratory or the factory, then we are having the different type of fabric, and these fabrics are man-made. And for example, rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, these are made up of petrochemicals or the product from the petroleum origin. I hope it is clear to you. Yes.